Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Notion and exploring the differences between linked view databases and databases. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future Notion tutorials. So let's get started. But before we dive into the differences, let's quickly recap what databases are in Notion. Databases in Notion are a collection of information organized in a table-like format. You can create databases to manage various types of data, such as projects, tasks, contacts, or even recipes. Now let's move on to linked view databases. Linked view databases are a powerful feature that allows you to connect and display the same database across multiple pages or workspaces in Notion. Especially, it acts as a mirror of the original database, showing the same content but with different views or filters applied. One of the key advantages of linked view databases is that they provide a centralized way to manage and update information across multiple pages. For example, if you have a database for your team's tasks and you want to display it on both your personal dashboard and a team workspace, you can create a linked view to achieve that. When you make changes to the original database, like adding, updating, or deleting items, those changes automatically reflect in all the linked views. It saves you time and effort because you don't have to manually update each view separately. Now let's talk about databases without linked views. These are the traditional databases in Notion, where you create and manage a database within a single page. They're great for organizing information that doesn't need to be displayed in multiple places. With a traditional database, you have more control over the layout, views, and filters on that particular page. You can customize the properties, add different views like Kanban or calendar, and apply specific filters to focus on specific information. However, one thing to note is that changes made to a traditional database don't automatically propagate to other pages or workspaces. If you want to display the same information in multiple places, you'll need to create linked views manually. So the main difference between linked view databases and traditional databases is the ability to have centralized, synchronized information across multiple pages with linked views, versus having more control and customization options on a single page with traditional databases. In conclusion, both linked view databases and traditional databases have their unique benefits. Linked view databases are great for managing shared information across multiple pages, while traditional databases offer more customization and control over a single page. And that wraps up our video on the differences between linked view databases and traditional databases in Notion. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding how to make the most out of Notion's powerful organizational features. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.